Hi.
Say, I'm going to be the assistant.
I want to be assistant.
This first video, I will be opening all the clothes that my mom got me, and it's in this box, and it's very heavy because hundreds of clothes. Cute.
Ooh, that's
Wow. Oh, it comes with a belt, and it's like, it has buttons on it, black and white.
Let's see mine.
First outfit.
I will see mine. Mommy, you will see mine?
Sure.
Turn around.
Let's turn.
Mommy, yuck, mommy. Mommy, yuck. Mommy,
Then it
yuck.
comes with a belt.
Let me see it. Hold it up.
So these are our outfits. Let's dance.
We're paying.
That's yours, Harper.
Ooh, Harper, this is yours, so hold it up. Let's put it on you. Now she looks just like an artist. So me and Harper both have the same, like most of them, but now on painting.
Let me see it.
Okay, so me and Harper both have the same. We might wear it together like to a party because this is party style. Harper, let's dance. You're so sassy. Here's the jacket. And I really love it because of these sleeves. They're so big.
See? That's beautiful.
It's got buttons in them. And now it's got...
Wait, this is Harper's too.
That's supposed to be yours. Oh no.
Wait.
That's supposed to be yours. What size? That's supposed to be an 8.
It says 6.
What?
It says 7.
Oh, I guess Harper got 2 dresses.
She put me on...
Okay, model for me. Stop. Now pose.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked our outfits. Like and subscribe and leave a comment. Bye!